I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at IBC 2019 in Amsterdam, and I'm here with Gundars on the Zhiyun stand to take a look at the Crane M2 and the Smooth Q2.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zhiyun, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So, Gundars, hi. Tell us about which one do you want to tell us about first?
Definitely the Crane M2.
Right.
This is a product which only recently launched. I would say it's a month old. I did get the prototype and tested it out, and let me just tell you this, the final product is much more refurbished. And
so is this a prototype or is this
no, this is the final one. And what I like about this one is the fact that it's a all-in-one gimbal, basically. You can, as you can see, we have a point-and-shoot camera balanced on this gimbal, but you can balance a phone as well as an action camera. And for those who are using Sony Alpha cameras, you can actually balance a Sony Alpha 6500 and the newest 6600 as well.
What sort of lens is that with?
I am using mostly primes, Samyang 12mm, Sigma 16, Sony 35, and I have actually balanced Sony 85 as well. I wouldn't say it was the most perfect combo, but I mean it works. So yeah, exactly. Yeah. And what I like about this gimbal is, I mean, if you hold it, it just
it's just really
if you compare it to
the... It feels comfortable.
Yeah, well. I know, right? It feels pretty solid. And if you compare this to the Crane 2, it's like the weight is this is so much less.
Yeah, because we've been using the Crane 2 for most of this show.
And at the end of the day, I bet your shoulders and back is kind of like, just want to rest. Yeah. But with this one, I was recently filming a buskers festival in Vienna a week ago, and I was rocking this for the whole day. Yeah. And that moment when you come home, you just feel nothing. You feel super energetic and you just don't feel tired at all. Yeah. I love it, man. I love it. Really? I think future for gimbals is just going to be lightweight, compact, and
especially as smaller cameras are now getting better and better.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so
exactly.
What's the price on this?
The price is 289 euros. There's no, as far as I know, there's no standard professional packages. There's just like one price and that's it.
Brilliant. Right, well now show us the Crane Smooth Q2.
Yeah. So I definitely know that this is still not available in the market because this is a Kickstarter project and it's doing pretty well as far as I know. And this is the smallest smartphone gimbal you can find on the market up to date. I mean, look at this thing. It's like the size of my palm. It's the size of my palm right here. So if you hold it, it just feels solid, you know. And finally, you can actually say that you can put this gimbal in the pocket. And I mean, if you hold it, you can feel that it's well built. It's just responsive, and the motor strength is pretty strong. Yeah.
Yeah, very responsive. Because I've got which one was it? The Smooth 2. Do you remember the Smooth?
Yeah. Well, those were the days, man.
That was like 2016, and this feels. I mean, it's still a great gimbal, but this feels a lot more responsive.
Yeah.
A lot more. Brilliant. And what sort of what batteries does that take? Is it an internal or?
Yeah, you can unscrew this place, and there's going to be I'm not sure if it's probably not a AA, but some kind of a battery.
Right, so it's replaceable.
Yeah, and you can charge it with the USB-C, and plus maybe you just you're using this for travels, and you just need to swap out batteries, and you can do that.
Oh, that's very high.
Yeah, so that is really nice.
So you say these are on Kickstarter right now. When does the campaign end?
As far as I know, they told me that it might be October, beginning of October, but you never know. You never know.
Brilliant. We'll have a link to that in the description below as well. So that was Gundars at the Zhiyun stand at IBC 2019. That was the Crane Smooth Q2 and the Crane M2, which has disappeared. We're going to keep wandering around the show and see what else we can find. We're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema gear, so check the link in the description below for that.
Can I join?
Sure, why not?
That sounds like a great opportunity. Don't want to miss out on that one.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.